Here's some help with problem 32, which involves a simulation. The simulation is for the random phenomenon of drawing an ace out of 5 cards. You have 5 possibilities, ace, and then all the other cards, doesn't matter what they are, we can just call them other. Okay, so that lists our 5 possibilities. We should assign them numbers. Let's say the ace can be represented by the number 0. There could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we give each of the other cards a unique number to show that they are each different cards. Okay, then we're given some information. We're told a person wins $100 worth of free CDs or DVDs if the ace is the first card, $50 if it's the second card, 20, 10, and 5 if it's the third, fourth, or fifth card chosen. Okay, so we need to think about how we can use our random numbers to model this phenomenon and come up with some sort of estimate about how much money on average the person is going to win or the store needs to expect to give away. All right, so we're going to be choosing 5 cards at a time. We can only choose cards that are in the range of 0 through 4. We want to ignore the numbers 5 and above. So let's just start at line 121. Okay, the first number we see is 7, so we cross that out. Then we see a 4, we can use that. We see 1, then 4, 8, 7, 0. There's the ace. Okay, and think about how many cards were ahead of it. There was a 1 and a 4, so that means 2 different cards came up, and then the ace was the third card drawn. I'm going to make a really obvious line here to show that that's the end of one trial. So for trial 1, I'm going to say ace was third. It's the third card drawn. And then how much money that gets me? Well, if it's the third card drawn, I get $20. Okay, so I'm going to say $20 is what I won. Let's try it again. Because this is a random phenomenon, we expect to see something different, more or less different every time, but we could see the same thing. What really matters is that we can't predict what's going to happen on each trial. So, starting from where I left off, I see 9. That's out of the range. 9 again, out of the range. 4 works. That means we got another card. 2 is an other card. 9 is not in the range. And then I see 0. I'm going to stop there. So again, the ace was the third card drawn. Alright. So again, I won $20. Let's go back to where I left off. No 7s. 1, 4, no 8, no 6s. 3, yes. 6, 1 again. I've already gotten the card labeled number 1. 6, I already got a 3. 4, I already got. 7, no. There's finally the 0, which represents getting the ace. So how many cards were selected before that? I had a 1, 4, 3, and then the ace was the 4th card. So I won $10 that time. Okay, so the object is to do several more trials, and you should, after seeing how it's done, and find out an average of the number of the amount of money that was won per trial. Okay, and that will give the store a guess as to how much money they're going to have to give away in this game.